This is why we have trucks. People in the country, we all have pickup trucks, so you can go get a load of gravel, go get a load of bark, go get a load of topsoil, and make your yard look good. To do out here, gotta go get a load of bark today for the front yard landscaping. Mulch, we call it mulch. I put this in the shade. All right, so here is my local mulch yard. It's just a bunch of stuff, a bunch of bark, different kinds, topsoil, lawn mix, and we are getting this stuff over here, the black beauty bark. So I'll set you guys up. All right, that was a good load. All right. Well, there's our bark. Not a bad load. Pretty good. I'm gonna put it here. First, I gotta put some stuff down. Now, these yuccas over here, I tried to dig them up with the Mini X. Tried to get all of them, but they just keep coming back, so I'm gonna cover them with plastic. And hopefully, that will keep them away. So that's what we're gonna do. My Uncle Lewis tried to warn me 30 years ago when I dug these up at his house. He said, don't ever plant yucca. Never get rid of it. He was right. I was wrong. So oh, there's one. Okay. Now, we will put some bark down over that. Over the top of this, I can put some casseron, which is a seed preventative. Keeps the seeds from germinating in your mulch I don't mind Castron so much as Roundup. I'd rather not use Roundup. Glyphosate. It's just a weed preventative. And this is landscaping. It's not food production. No food over here. No fruit trees. Nothing I'm eating. I don't have any food in the front yard area. I love this fork. 5-tined. It's my favorite tool. I use it for everything. Pitchfork. This stuff is going in about 3 inches thick. Some people call it mulch, some people call it beauty bark. You can get it in our area. You can get it in red bark. Typically that's hemlock tree bark. Or black bark. And this black bark is basically wood chips. It's kind of like compost. Wood chips and sand and some sawdust. More hardwood, maple, oak, alder, that type of wood chips. Then softwood like hemlock. Hemlock's a softwood. I like this piece. I'm gonna put this on top of the bark. I need more plastic for around on that other side of the tree. I was gonna leave that foxglove, but it's looking pretty weedy. I'm gonna yard it, get rid of it. I'm gonna put a big pile right there. I guess I could drive around instead. Okay, go get some more plastic.
Three-year-old.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. First big rain, that stuff's just gonna wash right off. It doesn't, and I'll show you why. See over here, I did this part. You can see the color difference. I did this part about 2 days ago, 3 days ago. And let me show you with the rake. It's got this crust on it. It like builds up a hard layer where the water just runs over the top of it. It doesn't make the stuff float up and just wash off. It creates like a hard crust. So you can see the deer walked right through there. Stinking deer. But I got it. It looks okay now. Looks a lot better. That was a good little project for today. Need some bushes and plants to finish that off. I did this side too. It looks pretty good. We're good all the way around now. It looks all right. Down and around. Needs a mow. That's for tomorrow. All right. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Really appreciate it. You guys have a good day. It's getting hot out here. Look at that slug. You cannot get rid of the slugs here, I'm telling you. Zucchini. Look at him. Just devoured my pumpkin.